one of the reasons why I bought it as well. Because owning a Bugatti, it's like a success. It's like a feeling of success.
Look at this. It's just such a work of art, this Chiron, but the costs of it are extremely high. I think Ahmed had to change the tires once. So hello people, this is Moscarblog and this is the Bugatti Chiron. It has 1,500 horsepower from an 8-liter W16. Just check this out, the most expensive rental car in the world. You can rent it for 150,000 dirhams, but not everybody gets it. And look at it, it is blue. The owner put his 89, his initials in here, also on the plate, and just look at it, it's absolutely amazing. And in this video we will take it out for a drive around the block and just show to you how this thing sounds, how it feels like. And just check out this here, the Chiron badge here on the side, this beautiful W16 rumbling away with the carbon here at the back. It's so amazing, this Bugatti Chiron. Just look at it people, it's an absolute dream come true for me. Honestly, I feel like a little kid right now. And just check out the interior. This car drives over 400 kilometers per hour and it is so insane. It does it with so much ease. You won't even believe it, how easy this car feels to drive and how comfortable it is. We have the biggest carbon ceramic brakes on a production car, only for the Bugatti Chiron, exclusive for the Bugatti Chiron. Changing those is around 200,000 euros. The tire change was 20,000 euros. This car is just absolutely insane. And let's now head to the drive. So people, we are now in the Bugatti Chiron here and taking it out for a drive out here in Dubai. And next to me is Ahmed, the owner of this car. And you can actually rent this Bugatti Chiron for how much, Ahmed? How much?
150,000.
You can actually rent this Chiron for 150,000 dirhams a day. And honestly, if you want to test drive it or you just want to look if this is something for you, I would go for it, because a W16 is something we will never experience again. Also, Bugatti said the Chiron is the last W16 from Bugatti, and the interior here is just pure luxury. It's not like in other hypercars where it's just carbon. This is carbon here, yes, but so much leather, aluminum and stuff like this. It's such a unique interior and a unique car, and I can absolutely understand why Ahmed decided for this one instead of any other hypercar.
This is one of my favorite cars to drive when you want to be discreet as well. Like, how can I explain it? It's not discreet in a Bugatti 100%, but like when you want to be sort of comfortable.
Yeah, that's 100%.
Windows up, AC on, it's beautiful.
Is the music player also good?
Everything. The sound system in the Bugatti is the downfall of this car.
Okay, but we have a W16 in here.
Correct, and you can hear the turbos. So
yeah, I know how it's like.
This little hump here, you can hear the 4 turbos. That's like music to my ears.
Okay, let's listen to the turbos. So people, check out the acceleration and the sound of the Bugatti Chiron. Look at this. Oh, what a sound.
That's not me accelerating crazy. That's just like letting the turbos spool up.
Yeah.
So you can hear the turbo when you're driving.
Yeah, I felt that. That was like maybe, I don't know, let's see here, 200 horses maximum?
Maximum.
I don't know. But that was like nothing. That was just the sound of the turbos. It's so much torque on this car. He's barely even revving it, and the car is starting to pull in a way like an electric car. This pull, it's so strong, and the sound is insane. Absolutely unbelievable, this Bugatti Chiron. Thank you so much for taking us out, Ahmed.
You're welcome anytime. So this car, like especially in Dubai, when you're driving this car, it's like a statement.
Yeah, of course. This thing is, even in Dubai, this thing is a statement.
And I feel like after Andrew bought his one, everyone wanted to follow and do the same. And obviously that changed the market for Bugatti as well.
Exactly.
He gave it a bigger name.
Exactly.
And it's one of the reasons why I bought it as well. Because owning a Bugatti, it's like a success. It's like a feeling of success.
Yeah, there is nothing bigger than this.
It was a dream car for me, and now I've got it. Now I'm thinking, what's next? Maybe the Mistral, I don't know.
The Mistral, yes, that's like a Chiron convertible.
Convertible, yeah.
Yeah, that's
so it's always hot in Dubai. You can sometimes drop the roof down.
Exactly.
And drive around the beach. It's nice.
Yes. So he did it, guys. He bought the Bugatti Chiron. He has a lot of other supercars as well for rent. If you want Huracans as well, McLarens, everything you can think of, basically. Brabus, Mansouri, everything you can think of, you can get from Ahmed, even this Chiron. So give him a call if you've got the 150,000 dirham and see if we can work it out, because he doesn't rent it out to everyone. He tries to just rent it out to close friends.
VVIP, yes.
VVIP.
Someone that's in our member circle that we have, or a referral, or someone's a unique client. One of our regulars is from Germany himself. He rents this all the time. Can't say his name, but he loves this car.
Yeah. And French Montana was with you as well, right?
Yeah, he was driving this last week.
Exactly. So
we shot a video in this car.
And I can understand why.
There's one of my McLarens.
That's one of his McLarens here.
It's crashed.
It's crashed.
Yeah, waiting for the insurance.
People, honestly, the Chiron is like I expected it to be. It's one of the most comfortable sports cars ever. Even something like a Ferrari is not nearly as comfortable as this. And to have 1,500 horsepower, a W16, a 4 million euro price tag, and to ride around in this comfort is unbelievable. Honestly, this is really, it's just such a work of art, this Chiron, but the costs of it are extremely high. I think Ahmed had to change the tires once.
The tires cost me 90,000 dirham to change.
So that's around 20,000, 22,000 euros.
Even though the car had only 2,000 kilometers, but because the tire was like a 2020 model, and now we're in 2024, they call it expired. So I had to replace them to extend the warranty, and the warranty package cost me 500,000 dirham.
500,000 dirhams. That's
around
like,
that, yeah.
That's like 120,000 euros for the warranty, 20,000 euros for the tires. But just that turbo spool is worth this price tag,
100%,
isn't it?
100%.
Yeah.
The car's amazing to drive.
It's a statement as well.
Yeah, very, very fast.
Yeah.
You can't get anything better. Like, I know that people say Koenigsegg and Pagani, yes, they're very nice cars, but I still feel like Bugatti has changed the game when it comes to hypercars.
100%.
With the name.
They were the first ones with the Veyron back then.
Yes, correct.
And also the other cars are very, very stiff and uncomfortable to drive. This thing here, if the price wouldn't go down so much, you could put 100,000 kilometers on this.
That's the one fear I have, is putting kilometers on this car. I don't like to drive it much, because I know every time I drive it, I'm losing money. Exactly.
But the other cars, Pagani or something like this, you couldn't drive it because it's just so uncomfortable.
Yeah, you can't even get in the car.
Exactly. Here it's just getting in and out and driving. And thank you so much, Ahmed, for the drive. And I hope I'll see you in the next one, people. Goodbye.